Hi everyone. For this assignment, we have chosen the sustainability goal, responsible consumption and production. This goal focuses on using our resources wisely, reducing waste, and making sure we're protecting the environment while also taking care of our needs. In this video presentation, we'll be interviewing several people, ask them what initiatives they are taking for a sustainable future, and explore how this goal matters for them.
How often do you try to reuse and recycle in your daily life?
Well, I try to do this as often as I can. Instead of taking, cabs or using a car for short distances and traveling, I generally take opt for public transport, which cause next to zero emissions. And for very short distance traveling, like from the metro to college, I usually take a few steps.
And to be very honest, I don't know how often, but whenever I pay a visit to restaurants, I always pass the leftovers for the needy ones.
Have you ever bought eco-friendly or second-hand products consciously?
I bought used car tires once because we had to make this project, so I made tables out of those car tires. So that I've done. And eco-friendly, I bought bamboo toothbrushes, metal straw.
मुझे आपको क्या लगता है कि कॉलेज में बच्चे रिस्पॉन्सिबल कंजम्पशन करते हैं या नहीं?
बेटा, ये जो मेस के जो खाना जो जैसे बच्चों को पास आता है, खाते पीते हैं, वैसे कुछ तो दे देते।
What are the challenges you face in consciously trying to reuse and recycle products?
I think one major challenge that I face is balancing convenience with sustainability. I work long hours, which means that I rely a lot on quick meals or deliveries, which usually comes with a lot of packaging that is hard to reuse or recycle. Also, I live in a shared apartment where there's not a lot of space to store items for reuse or to segregate waste before disposing it. So even when I want to make the right choices, like buying in bulk or choosing eco-friendly products, it is not always budget-friendly or accessible. So while I try to be conscious, everyday habits and limitations sometimes just get in the way.
What solutions do you think would be effective in promoting sustainable production and consumption?
Sustainable production can only be achieved by replenishing whatever you use. Just like software giants use water, you've got to recharge the water that you have used. Similarly, as far as consumption is concerned, we need to be minimalistic. It means use less. The lesser you use, the more you can leave for the environment.
Now that we have looked at the interviews, it is safe to conclude that most people do genuinely care about sustainability. However, in cases of people that work long hours like corporate employees, convenience often wins. Students on the other hand tend to find it a bit easier to follow sustainable practices. Moreover, staff members have pointed out that a lot of people neglect their basic responsibilities by not managing their waste properly. So, it can be said that intention is there, but the real challenge lies in making sustainable practices easier and accessible for everyone.